look, in China, selling pancakes now comes with muscles. This live streaming pancake pro flaunts his toned physique in a tight tank top, with every flex showing off his sculpted chest and rippling arms. For hygiene, he sports gloves and a transparent mask, but all eyes are on his effortless moves. He scoops up corn batter, spreads it thinly on a sizzling griddle, scrapes it smooth, and flips the pancake in seconds, all while chatting with his audience. His muscles do the work, but his charm seals the deal. I know the pancakes come from a factory, not his hands, but who cares? He sold me with sheer charisma and strength.